Hey there! If you're wondering what the best business niche is to make money online, you're in the right place. Imagine this. You're in a big playground surrounded by so many games. There's one spot where you're amazing and everyone knows you for it. That's exactly what a business niche is like. It's like being the go-to person for a particular skill. Whether you're known as the best cookie baker in town, a genius data scientist, or a software wizard, everyone has something they're really good at. After tons of research and trial and error, I've figured out what truly makes a successful online business niche. Here's the secret sauce. First, it's about passion. Find a niche where you feel that hidden peace or enjoyment. It's about doing what you love and not just chasing the money. When you're doing something you love, it doesn't feel like work. You just get lost in it, and that's when magic happens. Second, make sure not too many people are doing the exact same thing. You want to stand out, not blend in? Think about it. God, if everyone's already jumping on the same trend, it's tough to make your mark. You need a niche that's just right for you. Third, there should be enough people who need help with this thing. If you've got the skill, people need to know about it and want your help. There's a balance. You need a market big enough to support your niche, but not oversaturated. Fourth, the people who need your help should be willing to pay to solve their problems. Without this, you won't make money, no matter how great your niche is. Make sure your audience sees the value in what you're offering. They should feel that it's worth every penny. Fifth, choose a niche you can stick with for a long time. Building an online business is a marathon, not a sprint. Think long term. You want a niche where you can keep offering value, keep helping people, and continue growing. Finally, pick a niche that allows you to keep learning. You want a space where you can grow and expand your knowledge as you build your business. Learning keeps the business fresh, and it keeps you engaged as you continue to evolve. So when you find the perfect match between what you're good at and what people need, that's your niche. It's not about following the crowd. It's about finding your special corner of the internet where you can shine, help others, and of course make money. Find that sweet spot, and you'll not only make money, but enjoy the journey along the way. For more tips on building your online business, visit my website at digigenhub.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.